I'm inside a magnificent Airbnb unit right here in Naka Estate, inside the grand living apartment, and looking at the furnishing of this Amber B&B Nakuru. I'm telling you, lifestyle here is nothing short of grand. The grand living apartment block is just 100 meters from the Nakuru Nairobi highway. You drop from Naka Center. Naka Center. I believe, you are tech savvy, so you can always put that on Google Map. Naka Center. The grand living apartment block itself is right there. It is right there on Google Map too. So let me show you around this exquisitely furnished unit, even as I tell you more about the grand living. I have got previous history here, but today I'm inside a furnished unit. I came here when these units were vacant. So I was advertising these units for rent. And now they have been rented. This one in particular has been furnished for Airbnb business. All right, so where do we start? We start right in the lounge here. You're welcomed with a cozy, 5-seat couch sourced from odds and ends in Nairobi. Just look at that. It is quite unique. All right. And then on this end, you've got your TV for entertainment. You can watch your Netflix, Apple, YouTube, etc. And actually, I was here in an empty unit. Now, I'm impressed that this particular lounge actually comfortably accommodates the furniture and the couch and a dining table for 6, which is right here on this end. Can you imagine? So it was indeed a spacious unit. All right. So right on this end, we have our beautiful kitchen. Okay. So furnished with a 4-burner gas cooker. Right there it is. And you have got your microwave here, your toaster right there. There's a blender, there's a kettle. The furnishing is really good, and even in the cabinetries here, huku ndani, you have got your cups, utensils, okay? Typically, all utensils ziko hapo ndani. Needless to go into the nitty-gritties, but ziko pale. And of course, it is a spacious, kitchen, and an open kitchen, encouraging conversations between the guys ambao wako hapa and the wale ambao wako pale jikoni. It is a 2-bedroom unit which can accommodate a maximum of 5 people. So one of the guest bedroom has got 2 beds, and the primary bedroom has got 1 king bed. I will show you all of that. All right, folks, I've not even showed you the entrance. We started right there on the lounge. So the entrance, our main door is from that end. The unit is on 4th floor. If you love heights, especially the lake views and even the city views, because the next floor is a rooftop. And there's a gym, by the way, for that matter. Wait until you see that. There are so many good things that come with a grand living apartment. That's why it's called that name. So right here, this foyer, well, it's a good addition, okay? There's somebody who was looking for an apartment with a foyer in Nakuru, nikakosa. But the grand living ilikuwa na nikamwambia, you know what? You can book a unit at the grand living apartment. This is the guest washroom. There it is with a shower cubicle on that end, and then the toilet seat right there. And, quite a unique pedestal sink, for that matter, looking at it. Yeah, and nicely furnished as well around here. Your towel ziko hapo umewekewa hapo, kuja tu uoge, and kutoka hapo kishaoga unafanya nini? You jump over to the bed. Inside the bedroom, this is the guest bedroom, and voila, it has been furnished with 2 beds. Here they are. This looks like 4x6 beds, 2 of them. Here we are, okay? And I appreciate that on the floor we have got these fluffy carpets hapa, so at least to keep your feet warm. And then you have got ample storage right here. Those who are coming for longer stays, look, the wardrobes are empty, just waiting for you to put in your items hapo. This is executive living, okay? But grand living for that matter. Grand. Okay, so there's a mirror here. Don't know whether it's a dressing mirror for this other bedroom, because I believe the master bedroom has one. And then you have a vanity right there. Everything here is grand. Look at this. This is an apartment for rent in Nakuru. A unit was going for 40,000 Kenya shillings. And yeah, they are full, you know. So I just walked into the primary bedroom. There it is. I told you guys it comes with a king bed. You can see leather finished, white linens hapo vizuri hivo, you know, with just a shade of lime green hapo for the pillows, and of course some other soft, you know, pillows hapo, head pillows, side bed drawer. There it is, quite unique again, you know, finished with soft leather. You know, grand living. And then, of course, you have got your iron table on this end there. Amazing. Looking at that side, the closet, really beautiful. Look, you know, it's not the ordinary brown themed wardrobes, but they went with these dark gray, and they're beautiful. And I'm noticing that the host actually tried to match their bed. Look at the, you know, the soft leather on the bed with these, you know, the color, you know, they tried to blend that one. So hawa ni wazuri kweli kweli. Haya, so the dressing mirror for the master bedroom ndo hapa. I was talking about that. And of course you have got this bucket for putting your dirty linen. And again on the floor, you have got a soft carpet. At least ukiwa hapa ndani, especially during the rains, the cold season, au feel baridi. Sindio? Aya. Now, one thing I loved with the grand living is their washrooms. Look, this is the standard. This is a standard that was missing in Nakuru. This kind of standard here. Like you do a washroom, then you provide a shower cubicle away from the toilet seat so that you have what you call a dry toilet. This is a standard that was missing in Nakuru until, of course, the grand living did it. So when it comes to aesthetics, there's so much that you will enjoy here. Even the wall tiles, you know, just look at this finish here, you know, the selection that they went with. So in terms of aesthetics, there is so much that you'll enjoy here from the developer's perspective and even from the host's perspective. Okay, a lot to see, a lot to enjoy. Now, then there's another space. My favorite space when I first came here is this balcony, the lounge balcony, and I'm taking you right there. Here I am, and you know, it comes with this, I mean, it was done with this aluminium sliding, okay, doors by All Things Aluminium, who are based right here in Nakuru. Hii ni kazi yao. So nikislide tu hii mlango hivo, wow. Sasa nakuja hapa nje, you have got these bar stools. Nakaa tu hapa. On this side, I have got lake views. When I go to the rooftop, on the other side, I have got the views of the highway. Highway views, lake views. And of course, from the rooftop, I'm able to see the greater Naka and the greater Nakuru as well. Just look at this, Freddy. This is so beautiful, man. When I was here advertising this place, grand living apartment for rent, well, hata sikuwa na mahali pa kukaa hapa, but here they are finished with a grass carpet, you know, hapo chini. It is grand. I mean, in terms of aesthetics, there is a lot that you'll enjoy here. Okay? It is nothing short of grand. Sawa sawa? So Fred, allow me just to take a few seconds just to appreciate this view. Nione paka kule kwa lake, nitulie tu hapa kidogo tu, alafu tuendelee sasa niwapeleke kule juu. Beautiful. So now let me take you upstairs to where we have, on the rooftop, to where we have the gym, and also you get to see the greater Nakuru. Twende. Now I'm in the gym, which is on the rooftop. If you love exercising, the Amber B&B Nakuru is your perfect stay in this city because you got all this. So you wake up, asubuhi, you enter here, do your exercise, jioni, do your workout, and then of course you'll be in great shape as always. Yani iko na kila kitu. Hata it has everything, you know? And then on that side kuna mahali inaitwa the changing room. And another beautiful addition that they did here is providing this lounge just outside the gym hapa. Okay? This lounge here. So hapa pia ni mahali unaweza kaa, you chit chat, you have your stories, you sip your drink or your water, or just sit here and marvel at the beauty in front of you. Naka has totally changed. Naka has changed. Look at all these developments here in Naka. So there is so much to enjoy at Amber BNB Nakuru inside the grand living apartment. When it comes to parking, they have ground level parking, and it is ample for that matter. Security is tight here. Once you get at the gate, the security guys, they'll do their checkup. You fill your details, then you are allowed in. You go and check in to the Amber BNB Nakuru. All right? Haya sasa tuendelee. Very well. So up to that point, the rate is Kenya shillings 6,000 per day, and you can always get a discount for longer stays. All right? The selling point of this Amber BNB apartment Nakuru is the gym. Okay, that like for free. Once you live here, you can always go up there. Amazing. And of course, it is close to major social amenities. From here, if you're a party person, Platinum 7D is not far, Space next door is not far, and many others around here. So see you in the next one. If you have any other question, my number is 0791 055 678. Tuonane tena siku ingine.